Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve problems based on trigonometric ratios. Based on one acute angle of a right-angled triangle, we have 6 trigonometric ratios. Look at the board. The trigonometric ratios are sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent, and cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, and sec A is the reciprocal of cos A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot A is the reciprocal of tan A equals adjacent side by opposite side. Consider a right-angled triangle ABC, right-angled at B, and angle A and C are acute angles. Based on this angle A, BC is the opposite side, and BC is the opposite side of angle A, and AB is the adjacent side of angle A. AB is the adjacent side. What is sin A? Sin A is equal to opposite side, and this AC is equal to hypotenuse. Largest side is the hypotenuse. What is sin A? Sin A equals opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC, and cos A equals adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB by AC, and tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent. Opposite side is BC by AB, and next one, cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A, means opposite side by hypotenuse is equal to AC by, hypotenuse by opposite side equals AC by BC. Then sec A is the reciprocal of cos A equals hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC by adjacent side is AB. Then cot A is the reciprocal of tan A equals adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is AB divided by opposite side is BC. AB by BC. Now, based on this acute angle C, this AB is the opposite side and this BC is the adjacent side. Based on this acute angle C, AB opposite side and BC adjacent side, then what is sin C? Sin C is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. Then cos C is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, BC by AC, and tan C is equal to opposite side by adjacent, that is AB by BC. Then cosec C is equal to, cosec C is the reciprocal of sin C equals AC by AB, and sec C is the reciprocal of cos C equals AC by BC, and cot C is the reciprocal of tan C equals BC by AB. BC by AB. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios based on the two acute angles of a right-angled triangle. Now we are going to solve problems relating to trigonometric ratios. First question, look at the board. Given that tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. For that, we draw a right-angled triangle and its one acute angle is A. One right-angled triangle A, B, C, and take its acute angle. Given tan A is equal to 4 by 3. So, its acute angle, take the acute angle A. What is tan A? Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent. What is the tan A? Given tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Tan A equals opposite side by adjacent side. Based on this A, this BC is the opposite side. This is 4 and this AB is adjacent side. This is 3. We have to write the other trigonometric ratios. For that, first we have to find AC. This triangle is a right angled triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square equals square root of, what is AB, 3 square plus 4 square equals square root of 9 plus 16 is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 5. So AC is equal to 5. Then write trigonometric ratios. First one, sin A. This side is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. What is sin A? Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, 4 by 5. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, 3 by 5. And tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent, 4 by 3. It is given, 4 by 3 bracket given. Then cosec A. Cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A equals 5 by 4, means hypotenuse by opposite side, and sec A is the reciprocal of cos A equals 5 by 3, means hypotenuse by adjacent side, and cot A is the reciprocal of tan A equals 3 by 4, means adjacent side by opposite side. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin A 4 by 5, cos A 3 by 5, tan A 4 by 3, that is given, cosec A 5 by 4, sec A 5 by 3, cot A 3 by 4. Now question number 2. Consider triangle ACB, right angled at C, in which AB equals 29 units, BC equals 21 units, angle ABC is equal to theta. Determine the values of 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. 2. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Look at the board question. Consider triangle ACB, right angled at C. The figure is, we draw a rough figure ACB. Here we can take ACB in this way or ACB this way. C is right angled, so it is fixed. Then we can write B and A on either sides as we like. Here I take ABC in this form and consider triangle ACB, right angled at C, and in which AB is equal to 29 units. AB 29 units, BC 21 units. Angle ABC is equal to this angle. Angle ABC is equal to theta. Determine the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. For finding this, we know the value of AC. For that, AB square is, we know that according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So AB square minus BC square is equal to AC square. What is AB square? AB square 29 square minus 21 square is equal to AC square. 29 square is 841 minus 21 square is 441 is equal to AC square. Therefore 400 is equal to 841 minus 441 is 400 is equal to AC square. Therefore AC is equal to square root of 400 is equal to 20 units. AC is equal to 20 units. Our AC is 20 units. Then our question is first one, cos square theta plus sin square theta. For that first we write cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is based on this angle. This is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 21 by 29 and sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 20 by hypotenuse 29. Our first question is question 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals cos theta 21 by 29 the whole square plus 20 by 29 the whole square equals 21 square is 441 divided by 29 square is 841 plus 20 square is 400 divided by 841 is equal to 841 divided by 841 is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. We know that in one relation we know cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Here in place of a, here theta. Then second question, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Substitute the values. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. 21 by 29 the whole square minus 20 by 29 the whole square is equal to 441 by 841 minus 400 by 841 is equal to 441 minus 400 is 41 by 841. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 41 by 841. Now third question. Question number 3. In a right triangle, ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. In a right triangle ABC, right angle at B. First we draw a rough figure A, B, C and right angle at B. If tan A is equal to 1, based on this acute angle, what is tan A? Tan A equals opposite side by adjacent. Tan A equals opposite side by adjacent is 1 means 1 by 1. This is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. 1, 1. We have to find AC. AC is equal to square root of 1 according to Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square equals 1 plus 1 is equal to square root of 2. AC is equal to square root of 2. Then sin A. What is sin A? Opposite side by hypotenuse 1 by root 2. Cos A. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side also 1. 1 by root 2. Therefore 2 sin A cos A equals 2 into sin A 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 equals 2 into 1 by root 2 into root 2, 2 equals 1. Our answer is 2 into sin A cos A. Therefore 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Thus we verified. Then question number 4. In triangle OPQ, right angled at P, right angled at P, OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. Determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. Sin Q and cos Q. Here figure is given. The figure, this one is given figure. O, P, Q and given in triangle OPQ, right angle at P. This angle is right angle at P and OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. Deter PQ, then OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. So what is OQ? Given OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. Given. So what is OQ? OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Here this one is 1 plus PQ. We know that OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. According to Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. But OQ is 1 plus PQ. OQ square is 1 plus PQ, the whole square plus OP square plus PQ square. Now we expand 1 plus 2PQ plus PQ square and bring it one side, minus OP square minus PQ square is equal to 0. PQ square cancelled. 1 plus 2PQ minus, what is OP? OP is 7. OP square is 7 square is equal to 0. 2PQ is equal to 7 square goes to right side plus 7 square and 1 goes to right side, it is minus 1. 7 square is 49 minus 1 is equal to 48. 2PQ is equal to 48 implies PQ is equal to 48 by 2 equals 24. PQ is equal to 24 and OQ is equal to 1 plus 24 equals 25. PQ is equal to 24. OQ is equal to 1 plus 24 is equal to 25. 25 centimeter. This also centimeter. Then our question is, based on this angle Q, find sin Q and cos Q. This side is 25, this is 7 and this is 24. Sin Q is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin Q is equal to 7 by 25 and then cos Q. Cos Q is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse is equal to 24 by 25. Now homework 8.1 1 to 5. Thank you.